Yo man, what's going on today? It's Ronan. We back in here. We had a very interesting trading day today. It was CPI day, so no, it was FOMC Fed day. So I'm not gonna lie, I blew about I blew about like two funders today, and I was up 400 on my top step, and I was up 1,000 on my take profit trader, and I was just being so greedy. And I mean, I know shouldn't be greedy, but I gotta stop, bro. Like I made I'm looking at my transactions, bro. I spent about 1,000 on funded accounts just to lose them, and to be honest, it's not going well. So I think I'm gonna try a live account so I could feel that money, you know what I mean? But I mean, we got the course today. I skipped through some of the lessons because they were all swing trading. We not trying to swing trade right now, obviously. We just trying to day trade, get in money and get out. But I'm gonna try one more prop firm. Well, I tried to Tradeify today, and I'm gonna tell you the reason how I lost my money. I lost my money due to, so basically Top Step. I mean, not Top Step. Trading View. If you don't get this monthly subscription right here, like one of these, then you will lose. Cause I had a Tradeify funded account, and then I had the Take Profit funder, and I traded on Tradeovate today. And when I tell you Tradeovate and TradingView free is the most trash API chart ever, you will lose your money so quick. And you will get filled in nothing. Like if I had a screen recording on like how to even, how do I say, screen recording of like the trades I did today, it was so retarded. And not a lot of traders are going to tell you this. Like they're going to tell you, oh, get my subscription link, get my affiliate link. Like, yeah, I want to get an affiliate link too one day, but I'm going to tell you about the platform, on what you should and should not do. Not a lot of people tell you by TradingView, or not a lot of people tell you about the trade of it and how terrible the platform is for trading. Like it's good for holding the money and stuff, being a broker for sure, but trading, like, bro, look at this. Look at this. This is like, we're not in 1990 stock market no more, 2000 stock market no more. We don't do all this. If I was to show you the platform on trading, it's just so stupid. It's better to get the broker connected to TradingView and buy this, because even TradingView is delayed. It's about like $1,000 delayed. Like I was trading NQ today, I was up, boom, made a trade, and then next thing I know, I'm like, yo, why in my top step chart is going up, but on my trading view and on my trade of it is like down, or like, you know, consolidating. I'm like, yo, this is not right, and I'm losing money. So it's just very stressful, very intolerable type of day. It's a lesson that I had to take for y'all. So yeah, that's, we're gonna do take profit. We're gonna do this again tomorrow, and we're using TradingView, and we're buying it. Well, we're trying it free for 30 days. You know what I mean? So once we do that, I'm gonna look at NinjaTrader too. I'm gonna watch some videos on here. But let's go on with the course. I mean, when London is extremely large range, you want to avoid the NY session, and then red folder news, aka FOMC. I really shouldn't trade it today, but I did like a dummy. And then CPI, NFP, stuff like that. And then we just look at this continuations and whatnot, market maker models.
Effective bread and butter model. So that could be happening in our POI. That's what we wait for. Spot right, 8 a.m. to this timeline.
And none of this really goes with my setups. Like, I'm more of a scalper. Like, if I know it's gonna go up, if I see it hit my fair value gap, I know it's gonna reverse, I'm gonna take that, take what I need to leave. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to really explain it.
Right? So what happens over here? We've got that 10 a.m. news, right? Price drives up and does a 15-minute stop hunt, and after that we can look
Fake
for
you
our
out.
setup,
That
right?
news, boy.
So this time we did a stop hunt instead of a premium retracement, and it's a stop hunt and right at 2 swings above there. Now we're looking at accumulating swing, so a low.
And I'm most definitely learning as I go. So like, I'm taking $1,000 loss right now, yes. But when I hit that payout and then I take out 20% for taxes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be good. So I mean, bullish scenario. If we are bullish and the market has taken significant sell stops prior to the news session, the news will immediately move in one direction higher to pair the orders with the existing buy side liquidity engineered prior to the session. If we are bullish, the market is yet to take a significant sell stop prior to stop the news event. We'll have a fake move, Judas swing. Wow, really wish I would have read this today, but I mean yesterday, but it's alright. Taking external range liquidity, internal low range liquidity.
Low and sell, and then we look for, did sell stops get rated prior to the news? If
Right.
yes, then it's
This was literally the motto today. Let me show y'all. If I could, let me launch Top Step. Oh my god, hold on, bro. This is literally the motto today. I'm going to start 7:30. Look at this. And news was at 2, so around it was 14. So this was news, literally. This right here was news. Boom. Let me I think this one was news or this one news. My time might be a little off. But look at this. This was literally it. That's why I'm trying to show y'all the sauce. Like, oh my god. Why does it log me out every time? Look at this. Hold on, let me put this in a smaller scale. That. This is acting stupid. Okay, thanks. Alright. Now I can, you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm trying to say. You get what I'm trying to show y'all right here. Look at this. This was literally the market model. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Consolidation, go up. Take a sweep down. Consolidation, da-da-da. Go up. Take the sweep down. Boom. And then boom. Literally the market model right here. And this was a combine. I literally blew to, it was straight stupidity, man. I'm gonna name this video this was what, this is like day part 3 of the mentorship or part 4. I want to say it's part 3, but then I'm gonna be like how I lost 18 fundeds. I bought 18 fundeds, bro. They were each for $50, so you know what I'm saying? 15 times 50. I mean 18 times 50 is literally 900. And you know what I'm saying? All I gotta do is follow the strategy and I'll do it. But hey, this is why we're learning in this course as we go. But here, check this out. Check this out. Look at this, bro. Look at my chart. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy, huh? I mean, I'm not sweating it, bruh. The rules for Top Step is a little strict. I'm going to Take Profit Trader and I'm buying the Trading View thing, so yeah.
Highly likely the news will just go one direction and shoot up, right? And we can see that over here. We already ran significant sell stops before that news release, continuation with the news release, but at 8:30 we see our discount level here, continuation, right? So we have, right, over here we've got a external range. So let's go to the next one and again, external range liquidity, right? Over here. So what is more likely to happen after we take external? We want to go to internal, right? We have some internal range liquidity down here.
Boom, boom, boom,
Pushing
boom,
price lower and lower and lower. We've got
boom.
now a failure swing, right? And then the displacement. Now we're in a higher time frame POI, right? So this daily fair value gap is our area where it's highly likely that price will move down further, right? Buy stops first. Inside a 1 hour fair value gap, the news.
And
Block
if you want
respects it,
this, I
pushes
mean, I
down
can most
lower.
def send it to
We
y'all.
see
I
this
mean, I
buy
just
stops have
be
been ran
skimming through,
over
but
here.
you can most
Price
definitely
drops
see
lower, lower,
all
lower, lower.
this.
This, right? The NFP will continue down into those.
This is like 40 minutes worth of game right here. Let's go to this one, putting it all together. This is going to be a perfect one.
So and down to the one range liquidity, right? So draw out your premium and discount levels, right? From this high up here into this low down here. We
And
have
my
discount
Wi-Fi be
until this
trash at work,
equilibrium
bro.
level,
Like,
this 50% level of the
I
range,
be trying
and
to
we're going to be aiming from
put my
external
hotspot to my
to
computer
internal, right? So
and
where's that
trace from
internal
there,
range liquidity?
or on my phone. It's just
We've got
I
that
be thinking
daily
about
premium
too
fair
much. I
value
need
gap,
to
and this
focus on
is
one
our
thing.
drawn liquidity. So we know on a long-term perspective, sell stops have been liquidated already, order pairing happened down here, and now we want to draw into internal range. So drawn liquidity has been determined, and sell stop rate has happened already. So now we're going to dive into that intermediate term perspective market up. We're looking for liquidity, right? We've got this high up. We need a bullish order flow up. We only need to know, are we into what are we going to look for next? Low resistance liquidity, right? Because we want to go into the market price where it's easy to go and not high resistance. So over here, we've got this beautiful equal heights or failure swings, more failure swings over here, more failure swings over here. So once we hit that higher time frame POI or
And
from our
nobody can
intermediate
predict the
term
market, of
perspective, right,
course.
that 1
Like,
hour
you
fair
know what
value
I'm
gap,
saying?
then we have price. Now we're
It
in
could
line,
go one
so we
way,
have
but
clear
then it could
targets for our
completely
window.
go another way.
Met these, draw out your mitigation blocks, right, from the sell side of the curve. Rate fully filled, right? Wait for a, we've got, is this more likely of PM or 8 a.m.? Yes, we have 8:30 a.m. 15-minute time frame. That 50, a bearish order block here. Price moves down.
Hey man, he ain't telling us nothing new. He just breaking in the breakout in market structure and boom, the swing, and then just breaking away. Once you see breakaways, you know like what direction the price is going. It's either going up or down. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'm not saying that I take bad trades. I'm saying I take too much trades when I'm green. Like I can tell all this and that, right? I can see where liquidity is taking this and that, but I mean, once I'm in the trade, I'd be like, oh, let me make like 3, 4, 5,000 in a day. Like unrealistic, but that's truly how I be doing it. Like, look at this. Isn't an eligible account? Look, watch. Fair value gap right here. So if I break this down right here, give me one sec. Where's the box at? There should be like a little box. I mean, you can get a fib too. Put a fib in the thing. I'm probably not even using it right. But this is like rejection area right here. Should be. If it passes it, it'll go. I really just used it for a box to show the fair value gap, but it really doesn't matter. It cannot sweep the liquidity taken. It's gonna have to go back up. So let's say we put one.
Order filled.
We got our stop loss at 5, right? Now let me put this like this. Is it gonna take it? It might not. This most def has to reverse because it has to go back to that fair value gap. And this is what minis? No, this is a regular NQ. Look at this. You are seeing live trading right now. Like, it's the Top Step demo account now because I blew it, but y'all are literally gonna see it. Because then if we break it out here, let's just say you see all these liquidity ranges right here. We'll just draw an array from like, I don't know, this one took a pretty well done one. So I don't see it passing right here. See how it's rejecting it? I mean, it could bleed down now, right? Like, yeah, it could bleed down. And then what I could do, I could dollar cost average. Oh, it bled down. I'll just dollar cost
Order
average.
filled.
So I have, I mean, it's gonna take me more contracts, of course, but it has to go back up here though. I'm positive. Like after it sweeps all the liquidity, it has to go back up. But what else could I do? I mean, you see, it's green though. We could take $40. You know what I'm saying? This market does move a lot slower than regular, but it has to go back up here. Even in like the newest candle that forms in what this 5-minute time frame, 6:30 is gonna retrace. And if I wanted to, I could put like right in between this, so y'all could see what I'm losing, what I'm risking. I'll stop at this fib right here. So at 380 for 970. Now let's just move this like kinda like this, I guess. I mean, I'm already green, so I could care less. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just scalping it at this point. I could let that play out, but this is gonna be my next moves. Like, yeah, we're down 1,000, but next month we could potentially be up 2,000. You know what I'm saying? And then next month after that, 3 or 4,000. Like, look, bro, I know the plays. 570. If it doesn't pass that, we just break even up here. You know what I'm saying? But I'll probably exit it like right here, like once it hits right there. Like, I'm fairly new, but I know how like structures and shit work. Like, it's gonna push because it has to feed into that. But yeah, my next move will be buying this. Well, doing a 30-day trial and then, you know, getting trading view. Tomorrow is Thursday, so we have 2 trading days, so we're good. And then I'm getting this one, take profit trader. We're gonna do one account and we're gonna say, oh, I'm gonna search up another one for you guys. We're gonna search up Bull Knox. We're gonna search it up, Bull Knox. Here we go, Bull Knox funded program. I heard about this. I don't accept. Let's just qualification account. So our goal is to finally blah register, create a personal account, choose one of the size, start playing on the platform. Get your first 10,000 without commissions, earn 90% of your profits, and use a trading terminal for free. And these are this. So we're not doing scaling accounts. No, we're doing option ones. So let's see. Draw down 2,500 when I could just make 1,500. You know what I'm saying? Let's see this. All right, and then as you can see, this is testing. Like this right here would have been a great payout, like right here. Know what I mean? It's gonna test that and it's gonna close it. I mean, I could just exit right now, to be honest with you. But it's paper, like, I'll just let it play out, just show you, like, look. As I was saying before I got distracted, you just sign up for an account, really. And it's not giving us, like, what, max 3 contracts. First 10,000 is 100% free. So what's the rules though?
Order filled.
Boom, it filled right here. And then as you see, it couldn't break that liquidity right here. So next candle, it will consolidate and then go back down. I mean, and that's why I like Top Step setup so clean, but you have to be really consistent in order to get a pay, like 10 days consistency to get 50% of your payout. Like, no, I want 80 at least. So let me see this. I'll probably buy one of these. Let's just search it up, guys. Bullnox reviews. This guy.
Get matched today with the tax expert who's just right for your situation. They'll do your
In this video, we will talk about the Bonox funded account payout strategy that you can make $22,000 a month with this blueprint. If you're wondering why Bonox, there are 3 quick reasons before I tell you the how to getting to that $22K per month goal. Number 1, if you've been in the futures prop firm space for a while, you know that recently there have been firms that have been delaying their payments like Fast Track Trading, Apex, Denials, Drama, 3 to 4 weeks and still haven't paid out the traders. But the good news is, with Bonox, you will never find this happening, at least not in my experience. One of the best reasons to trade with Bonox is that they're always on time with their payouts. There are no delays. You submit before 11:59 p.m. Eastern on Friday, and you will get a wire confirmation by Tuesday, and that money should be in your bank account by Wednesday. We're talking about consistently from request to payout in 4 business days with a timeline that you can predict and know that the money will be in your bank account. Unfortunately, you can't do that with other firms right now because that's just the futures prop firm game status right now. The second amazing reason with Bonox is that there's no drama. If you're tired of firms like Apex asking you to explain your trade, screen record your face, screen record your fingers, your hand, clicking the trades, explaining your exact strategy, saying that you traded news when you haven't, saying that your risk and reward doesn't make sense, and all these different reasons to deny your payouts, if you're tired of that, then Bonox is probably your go-to because there's never drama. I've never once had them ask me, why did I take a trade here and sell there? No passport needed to submit, no video verification, nothing. Just submit the payout request before Friday and get paid on Tuesday. And the third reason is their support is amazingly quick. Usually it's within the same day if you want to activate an account, or if you've blown an account and want to activate another master account or funded account, usually it's within the same day. Now, if this excites you, now we're going to talk about the how to getting payouts, $22,000 a month blueprint. By Bonox, you need to understand that they give you 11 maximum funded accounts to trade with. Obviously, 11 accounts is much better than 1 because with Bonox, you can withdraw a maximum of $1,500 per 50K account for the first 3 months.
So $1,500 for the first couple months. So I mean, yeah, for like what would, hold on, let me let's see how you
Yes, with Bonox, you can that you can withdraw every month. And the reason why we don't multiply 16,500 by 4 is because Bonox requires 10 trading days before you can request a payout. There are typically about 22 trading days per month, so the maximum payout withdrawal is approximately $33,000 if you max out the entire 11 funded accounts. But if we go a little bit more conservative, let's knock down another $11,000. You only need about 7 of your master or funded accounts to get the payout every month to reach $22,000 per month. 7 funded accounts times 1,500 maximum per account is 10,500 times 2, $21,000. And if you have the 8th account, have a little bit more profits and not withdraw the entire 1,500, let's say withdraw just 1,000 and you're there at $22,000. But before you can actually get to 11 funded accounts, of course, you need to start passing evals. The good news to Bonox is that recently they've been running 90% off promo very often. And just a few months ago, this wasn't the case. And so if you're watching this video and they're still having a 90% off, use the code FSP to get your 90% off so that each 50K eval only costs you $17.50. As you can see here, I've loaded multiple of these Bonox evaluations. And if you want to pass them, I suggest you use the red folder new strategy that I've shown you in the video. Once you're in Discord, go to 50% win rate approximately. If you want to get 11 funded accounts, that would mean that you need at least 22 evaluations. 22 evaluations times 17.5, about $400. Very doable, very affordable, especially considering you'll make much more than that when you get payouts with multiple master accounts. Once you get these evaluations passed, then you'll need to go to your dashboard, scroll all the way to the top and click on pass qualification request. Once you click that, you'll come to this form right here. You fill out your name, last name, your email, and put the date you submit. After a couple days, they will send you an email like this, $50 for a 50K account. Now you're ready to activate all 3 of your master threshold of the 50K ways to get that next funded account to payout threshold I made.
Hey man, y'all go watch him though. I'm getting a little tired and I'm finna see what accounts I want more. So I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next trading day, and just, you know, once you see green, just pull out. Like, I've been noting myself to meet all that morning and do your research on firms. Like, personally, I took the hit on this because I didn't know much about how Trade Evade worked. I thought it worked like fucking Top Step or something, but it didn't have the same APR chart accuracy. So, man, I lost, man. So I'll see you guys the next trading day, man. Lock in.